Hello everyone, it's Sir Jem, and for this video tutorial, ang gagawin natin is i-improve natin yung feature ng face niya. So, using different tools and technique of Adobe Photoshop CC 2020. So, let's start. So, ito yung image natin. So, ang gagawin ko is i-improve natin yung features niya, facial features niya. So, to use this, to enhance this one, you can use the Liquify. So, this is one of the most important feature of Photoshop. So, zoom in natin, Z, and then ito. Now, let's enhance the features of the face. Like for example, gusto nating lalabas yung panga niya. Then, you can click this one. Then, yung nose. And lips. Nose. So, pwede mo siyang ma-improve. Ganyan. And you can use this one. This one is the forward wrap tool. Like, gusto mo liitan yung ears niya. Or, yung nose niya, improve natin. Or you want to change the shape of the lips. So, ito yung and then yung neck. So, hindi lang yung face niya ang pwede nating ma-change. Like, for example, at yung muscles niya or yung form ng shirts niya. Like, for example, ito. Gusto mong medyo lalaki yung kamay niya. So, pwede mong i-adjust. Depende sa gusto mong form niya. So, if you want na medyo wide yung likod niya, hair. So, yun, you can adjust. Then also we have different tools dito na pwede mong gamitin, like ito or this one. So you can explore the Liquify feature of Photoshop. Then if you're done with this, kung okay na sa'yo yung forms niya, so you can, okay, uncheck this one. Ito yung dating mukha niya, and then pag i-preview natin, then ma-change yung mukha niya. So that's it. So if you're done, just click OK. Yun. Another way is itong puppet, the puppet warp. So you can use this one. Okay, hintayin muna natin. Okay. Para medyo nag-loading siya. So, ito na. So, mag-pin ka ng dot at saka pag i-move mo, pwedeng ma-change yung forms ng body niya. Like, ito. Or this one. Okay. Sorry. I-select natin to. So, as you can see, parang then, pwede mo rin bawiin dito. So, you can change the form of the body or image. Yon. So, if you want to apply the changes, then click enter lang. So, i-check natin. Ito yung original and then i-click natin. Ito yung na-edit na natin. So, na-change na natin yung body form niya. So, yan yung ways para ma-change natin yung mukha niya or yung forma ng katawan niya or forma ng mga kamay niya. So, yan yung pwedeng gawin natin para ma-improve yung forms ng body niya. So, thank you for watching and see you for the next video.